So this is a spill containment kit. If you're doing any battery work, you want to have one of these handy. A good kit would have face shield for cleaning up any spills. You don't want to get anything in your eyes, so the extra face shield is nice. This one has goggles too, and then a couple sets of gloves in here, small dustpan, garbage bags with twist ties. There should be MSDS sheets in here, which there are here, just so that you know what kind of chemicals are in here. Just a neutralizing compound. There's also instructions on how to clean up spills. There's a couple of socks here to try and contain the spill into a smaller area so it doesn't spread out so much. This one comes with a danger sign, so you can put that up around the spill to make sure that nobody walks through it or slips on it. And then in the bottom here was where the actual powder is that you would dump onto acid spill, or any oil spill. This would work, but you want to make sure that's in there, that it's sealed. That way when you did need to use it, it wouldn't just be in the bottom of the bucket. Then when if we ever had any spills, you want to have the right size container that a cell would be able to fit into. That if you had a spill, cracked jar, you'd be able to just put that jar into this container to be able to transport it back to wherever you need to transport it.